Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create a clickable hyperlink in a PDF document with Adobe Acrobat. So let's get started. First, open your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Over here, look at the top of the window and click on the Edit option. Then, click on the Link button and choose Add or Edit Links. After that, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Use the crosshair to highlight the area where you want to add the hyperlink. Then a Create Link dialog box will appear. Over here, set your link type, color, and line thickness. Next, select the action Open a web page and click Next. Then enter the URL you want the link to open. After that, go to the All Tools tab to exit edit mode. Finally, click on the hyperlink in your PDF to test that it opens the correct web page. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.